Hi, friends. Want to learn English easily, like a baby? Today, we'll hear a fun story about a greedy dog. Let's start right now. Welcome to Learn English Like a Baby, your podcast for simple English. This is where I help you talk step by step, just like kids do. If you missed my daily routine episode, it's great. Check it later. Today, we are telling a story with easy words, like, I see, it runs. Ready? Here we go. Let's start the story. Picture this. The dog. I see a dog. The dog is brown. The dog has meat. It holds the meat in its mouth. It walks on a road. The road is quiet. Say this with me. The dog has meat. Easy, right? The dog sees water. The water is still. In the water, it sees another dog. The other dog also has meat. The meat looks big. What about you? Think of something, like, I see, say it out loud. The dog gets greedy. The dog wants more meat. It barks at the water. The meat falls into the water. Oh no! The meat is gone. The dog feels sad. Try this. The dog is greedy. You're doing great. The dog learns a lesson. The dog looks around. There is no meat now. It walks away slowly. The day is bad. The dog learns a lesson. Say this. The dog is sad. See? You can tell a story, Jew. That's a story, friends. Today, you learned easy words, like, I see, it barks, the dog is sad. It's simple and fun, just like a baby learns. Keep practicing every day, you'll talk English soon. Like this podcast? Subscribe now, tap the bell, and tell me in the comments. What do you see every day? See you next time. Keep going, you are amazing.